behalf of this flight crew and Airtran Airways, welcome to Atlanta. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, seatbacks, and tray tables in their full upright and locked position, and all carrying items completely under the seat in front of you. When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. You may use your cell phone or pager now, but please remain seated and leave your carry-on stowed. Customer service agent will be meeting the aircraft to provide current gate and flight departure information, as well as directions to ground transportation and baggage claim. If you're making a connection, confirm the gate your flight will be departing from with a customer service agent. Flight information display monitors are located throughout the concourse. Smoking is allowed only in designated areas throughout the airport. The next time your travel plans call for air travel, we hope you'll choose Airtran Airways. Online booking is fast and easy at airtran.com. We certainly have enjoyed sharing part of our morning with you. We know you have a choice when you fly, and we thank you for choosing Airtran Airways. Welcome to Atlanta.